y'all, welcome to day 8 of my 12 days of Christmas. Today we have my Cowgirl Christmas big water bottle tumbler. I am just in love with it. I'm so excited about it. I think I'm gonna use this one. If it was a straw top, I definitely would. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this type of lid though, but I am so obsessed with how it turned out. I love that it has the white lid. It's just so cute. I am in love with this cup. Very pink, very girly, and I couldn't be happier with it. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial on this cup and make sure you come back for day 9 tomorrow. So starting off with this big white water bottle, taking off the packaging and the lid. And prepping with mattify. Then I'm going to take some electrical tape and tape off the top rim so I don't get any paint up there. Then I'm going to use pink petal color fix paint and applying that with a large brush. It's a makeup brush, so it's fluffy and it just gives you the smoothest application with these paints. This is one of our newer colors and I love it so much. It's such a pretty color. Then I'm going to mix up some glitter. I really wanted a color that I didn't have, so I'm taking Peaches and Queen, I'm taking FF4L, taking Snowy in Chunky Mix, and Christmas Eve. So I'm just mixing all of those together. I just wanted a really pretty, like lighter, dusty pink, chunky mix, and just combining all of these kind of gave me exactly what I was wanting. That's what it was looking like. I also added, so this is the FF4L. I was just showing you the label. I also added Icy. This one has a lot of like iridescent pink, but I wanted it a lot more white. So I added that in there. And I think that just turned out the perfect pink to match this vinyl. So next I did my first layer of epoxy. This is the Artistry 1-to-1 fast set. So then once that was dry, I'm going to put on my vinyl. I put on the lid so I can tell where the front is going to be. And then I take my ultimate tool from the Cami Page Boutique to get a straight line. So I just kind of line up where I want my vinyl compared to the front of the cup. Then just taking a permanent marker, you can use whatever marker, pen, anything you want, and just drawing a straight line. Then I'm going to take my vinyl. So we're just going to peel back the side a little bit. And then cut off an inch or two just so we have something to stick onto the cup without having to worry about that backing getting in the way. So then just placing this over the line that I did so that none of the marker is showing and just making sure it's completely straight on there. Then you just take the back and fold it over and just keep pressing and kind of smoothing it out as you press it down. And I've not applied a full wrap vinyl to many cups, if any. So this was actually really easy with the tool guide, just giving me that straight line, and then also having room in the back for your decal always is nice, so you don't have to have it exactly lining up. So now I'm taking some quick seal to seal the vinyl before we go on with our epoxy. Next, I'm taking some glitter glue to apply our glitter. I started on the bottom and then just kind of fading it upwards. And I'm going to kind of ombre the glitter. I want it kind of cascading onto the picture, but not too much. So then we're going to apply the glitter. Then once we get a full coverage at the bottom, I'm going to angle it and kind of ombre it upwards, so we get it kind of cascading onto the photo. And I'm doing the same thing on the top. And same thing, full coverage on the very top and then kind of cascading down. Then in between, I wanted just full coverage and then kind of fading onto the picture on the sides as well. Once that was dry, I sealed it with some clear spray paint. Then we're going on with another layer of epoxy. Then I cut out some vinyl, and this pearl vinyl is so pretty. It's like a pearl white and then this kind of dusty lavender color. And I cut out Cowgirl Christmas because I had to tie in this cow into Christmas somehow. So I cut out the purple vinyl and then I did the white opal in an offset. So I'm just stacking those vinyls and then we'll put them on the cup at the same time. So just centering it in the middle of the pink section of the cup. Then I did 2 more layers of epoxy to finish off this cup. Then it was done, so I'm just taking off the tape and taking it off the turner, putting back my lid. And that was it. I love these colors. I love the cow. I love the florals on it. Just everything about it. I just love it so much. It makes me so happy. I hope you guys love it too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys come back for day 9 tomorrow. Bye. Bye, guys.